Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again in this channel. In this video I will share tips on how to restore the function of a laptop battery to return to normal when the laptop battery suddenly does not work, cannot be used to turn on the laptop, and the percentage level cannot go up. This usually happens because the battery has not been used for too long. For example, your laptop has not been used within 2 weeks, and suddenly after turning it on, it can. Even though the previous 2 weeks were in normal condition, even the battery was not empty. Or for technicians, the laptop is being repaired and the battery is removed. Suddenly after the laptop can be turned on, it turns out that the battery is no longer working. Then this step can be tried, and we have proven that this works. This happened to an Asus X441B model Asus laptop that we are working on in our workshop, because the laptops need spare parts that take a long time before we can get them. It takes more than 1 month, and after the motherboard is back to normal, it turns out the battery is not working. On the monitor screen we get a normal charging indicator, but the battery level doesn't increase at all. After we check the voltage in the battery port on the motherboard, there only appear a voltage about 0.24 volts. This should be around 12 volts. So we remove the battery and we check the voltage on the motherboard. At the battery connector, a voltage of about 12 volts appeared. From here we conclude that the problem is a bad battery, because after we check the battery voltage is 0 volts. So the step we take is to reset the battery by removing the cable that connects the battery cell to the main board of the battery. Then we wait for a while. This is about 15 minutes. Then we plug the cable again and we test on the motherboard. The result is the battery is back to working normally. This indicates that the battery has fainted. So it is necessary to do a reset process, which is to remove all the charge that supplies the chip on the battery mainboard, on the battery controller that installed inside of the battery. Here is the solution. And of course, these tips cannot only be done on this Asus laptop model. We can try it on various laptop models. Hope it is useful. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.